During our visit to Lisbon, we had to visit Pastéis de Belém to try out the world-famous Portuguese custard tarts. Pastéis de Belém are the original Portuguese custard tarts with a secret recipe that is almost 200 years old and is one of the 7 wonders of Portuguese cuisine. Now mind you, these custard tarts are patented and are the only ones that can be called by that name. And we were so fortunate to have the opportunity to meet with one of the family members, Penelope, who took us for a tour behind the scenes. Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. And if you have not subscribed, click on the subscribe button, and while you're there, if you hit on that bell icon, you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started.
Hi everyone, we're at Pasteis de Belém and we're going inside to see how they're made.
We reached Pastéis de Belém bright and early and were surprised by the variety of pastries at the cafe. Pastéis de Belém is a must-see during your time in Lisbon. Hi everyone, we're here at Pastéis de Belém and we had the opportunity to meet Penelope, who's one of the family members, and she's going to take us through the process, how they make the Pastéis de Belém.
Hi, welcome to Pastéis de Belém.
As we visited the factory, Penelope handed over us some protective gear so that we could go and see how the tarts were made.
Hello, my name is Penelope and I welcome you to Pastéis de Belém.
Our first stop was the ovens, where Penelope explained to us the baking process.
That is where they come out of the oven. Okay.
And here's a look at those warm custard tarts coming right out of the oven. So you bake them at 400 for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
How many of the pastel you'll bake at a time?
900.
900.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot.
The secret room.
The secret room.
Yeah.
So are we going in there?
There's a lock on it.
So this is where the secret part of the recipe is made. Okay. By the 4 chefs that have the recipe. And then it comes out and we go that way.
So those 4 chefs have taken an oath that they will not share the recipe.
Original.
Do you know the recipe or?
Yes.
Okay, you're one of the people.
So you're one of the 4. Next, Penelope took us to see the custard, which was left to cool after it was made.
Came out.
Okay.
It's cooling for a while and then goes into the fridge.
Okay.
Oh, so you'll bake it and you'll keep it in the fridge before you use it?
Yes, you cannot use it hot.
Okay. Because the pastry will melt if you use it hot.
Yeah.
So you have to chill it so it's
Hot.
cold. Oh wow. So this is all hand done.
Custard?
This is where the pastry is. So this is all hand done.
Yes.
I mean, I've never thought of doing it by machinery or anything.
Part of the secret is that it's handmade. So
But how do you get this to stretch like the dough?
we have to get the right temperature.
Okay.
And the secret makes it like this.
Okay.
Stretch with the
Yeah, so there's a lot of butter involved in this, right? And it's all made into these kind of
Yeah, they come
sections.
They come after all the secret room.
Okay. So from each one you get 16?
So we have 16 trays.
16 trays. Okay, wow, that's a lot of quantity. Okay. So she's stretching it and then cutting it into sections. Okay. By now they must be knowing exactly how much to cut. I was really impressed to note that the tartlets till today are made by hand.
How many do you make like per day?
Even then we're making about 14,000 a day.
40,000.
Wow. Yeah.
It's quite an art. So it's one hand and one hand turns it.
Yeah.
Into the middle and then up the sides.
You can see the layers of the butter.
You see all the butter there.
Yeah. Wow.
Now it's your turn.
Okay, thank you. Okay. In the middle. And then up.
The better.
We were trying to get it coming.
Once again.
So like 5, you had like 5 strokes.
Okay, one more turn.
Okay, we're gonna
Fewer
go
the strokes, the
fewer
better.
strokes. So you can see all the layers here.
My God.
Good.
Press it down.
And then
out.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4. Right.
Okay, you're higher.
After that, we got to see the tarts being filled with the custard, which I think is one of the few mechanical processes in the making. Wow! See how thick and creamy that custard looks.
Do they rest here for a bit?
They're really hard. So
Okay.
you have to wait for a few minutes before taking them out.
We heard that you're like one of the 7 wonders of the food. Portuguese restaurant.
Yeah.
So, how do you all feel about that? You know, in your family, do we?
We are very happy, of course, and proud, and we're trying to make them better.
And you all have only one place where you'll make it and sell it. You'll have not expanded it.
We only sell it here because we thought about it, and we think that if we sell, quality will be lost.
So in the custard, you all use milk or do you use cream when making the custard?
I can give you the milk.
Okay.
Yeah.
And another thing is that, I mean, notice that a lot of pastries in Portugal have, an egg yolk based kind of a custard. Why is that so?
Because it's quite funny. In the monasteries, the nuns who iron their habits to get them stiff, they use the egg white.
Okay.
So there were a lot of egg yolks left. And so people started to use it to make sweets.
Okay. So how did you all come to get the recipe from the monastery?
Monasteries in the 1800s were not like it. They were a commercial point where there were a lot of people. And so these cakes were sold there. In 1820 we had a revolution here and all the monasteries were closed. And so this person that had these recipes came to us here because we had the sugar refinery, the most important ingredient at the time.
Okay.
And so they came here with the recipe to sell the cake in the shop there in the front. The Pasteis became so
Famous.
that they started to be making and everything else was put behind. And here we are.
Okay, they're taking them out of the chocolate.
Yeah.
And why are they putting them one on top of the other?
Because they go in the boxes together, and we call it, they are getting married.
Oh, okay.
So they are stronger together.
Oh, yeah, so the outside remains crisp and the custard remains together.
And now we have to do the hardest part, which is trying the pastéis. So, a little bit of icing sugar and a bit of cinnamon.
So this adds to the taste.
Yeah.
Wow.
And here you go.
Okay, let's give this a taste. That crunch and the custard, wow. It's really awesome.
It's so flaky on the outside, like definitely way different than anything we've eaten around the city. And the custard's really light. Like Penelope said, I could probably eat like 4 of these and not know how many I ate.
It's really good. Thank you. And that concluded our tour to Pastéis de Belém. Thanks, Penelope. I hope you enjoyed the tour as much as I did, and it was a real pleasure meeting Penelope. And if you're interested in trying my take on Portuguese custard tarts, you'll find the link to my recipe in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.